In this video, we show you how to consult the catalog for agricultural spare parts. For each article, you will find tables with all the measurements and other useful technical information, which will guide you to find the most suitable item for your needs. For other articles, you will find additional technical information, for example applications, the original references, but also matching articles, accessories, and spare parts. When you find the right article, write down the corresponding 5-digit code. And to buy it, simply click on the code located under the catalog image and then add it to the basket. If you didn't find the clickable code, you can still search for the code with the search engine at the top of the site. If you have any questions or you can't find an article, you can always contact us with WhatsApp or by writing an email, and our technical department will answer as soon as possible. Shop comfortably online. We ship fast with DHL in Europe and worldwide.